Hello, today we are going to take a look at something that I recently purchased from cheap China. This is set of random gearbox. It was sold as a DIY robotic project. I've got really no real use case for it for today. It was very cheap, so I just ordered it. Some time ago I've got a situation that I've got a pepper grinder, electric one, battery operated, and there was a gearbox and one of the teeth was broken and I have to throw away the device because there was really not possibility to find exactly the same gear. And I hope the next time when situation like this is going to happen to me, with me having that set of 72 pieces, I will be able to match something and fix the device that will be broken. They should be common gears, common across all different Chinese devices, because they are going for cheap and the most accessible parts. So I hope they will fit different users. And as you can see, I'm not going to count each teeth and what's the spacing in between, but as you can see, you've got absolutely lot of different one, and they should be pretty generic. We've got some gears that might go onto the shaft of a motor. We've got gears with a double. As you can see, there is a lot of different one to choose from, and I hope at some point in time I will use them. There is really no way to measure each of them. We've got sizing from 4 centimeters to the smaller one, like a 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter. That one have like a 2.2. That one is also like 2.1. There is absolutely a lot of different one to choose from, and as I told you, I didn't buy them for any specific reason. I just buy them as a set for like a $1 or $2. I think I made a good decision. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.